years out here at Duct, right? About Auto Parts. Here, 69 Charger. And it's got like a walk over here where it's down. Oh. It's gonna talk. There's stuff, man. This is Brett. Woo!
I have to ask, why did you choose this shiny, iconic, beautiful car? I think you could do that, absolutely. Is it 440 power?
Lots of wire, everything to mess that thing up. I'm not going to get closer to this. $2 a done, that's what he says. We'll see. If you guys cheer him on, we'll do more than that.
Fire now!
Start to see a shadow with no sign of the sun. Someone coming towards me. Sun's getting closer as my eyes come to see a long-legged woman just walk up to me. Confidence surrounds me as I feel
Look at all that rubber hanging. Okay, now we've got to put our brain power together and figure out. We usually do top three, but we've been discussing potentially the top four.
We are talking about top four, and I think we'll take
down, you love it. What's wrong?
Did they spin? A little bit.